A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in the realm of international migration policy, Rwanda has agreed to accept up to 250 migrants deported from the United States as part of President Donald Trump's hardline immigration strategy. This agreement, which has already sparked debates among human rights advocates and political analysts, aims to facilitate the removal of individuals in the U.S. illegally, particularly those with criminal convictions. The agreement was finalized in June and has now come to light as the Trump administration seeks to ramp up its deportation efforts by sending individuals to third countries. Rwanda's government spokesperson, Yolanda Makolo, expressed the nation's commitment to this initiative, stating, "Rwanda has agreed with the United States to accept up to 250 migrants, in part because nearly every Rwandan family has experienced the hardships of displacement, and our societal values are founded on reintegration and rehabilitation." This perspective underscores Rwanda's historical context, having emerged from the devastating genocide of 1994, which left a profound impact on its society and governance. Under the terms of the agreement, Rwanda will have the authority to approve each individual proposed for resettlement. Those who are accepted will receive workforce training, healthcare, and accommodation support, allowing them to reintegrate into society and contribute to one of Africa's fastest-growing economies. However, there are stipulations in place. Only individuals whose prison terms are complete or who have no pending criminal cases will be accepted, and no child sex offenders will be included in this arrangement. The Trump administration's approach to immigration has been a contentious issue, with critics arguing that the deportation of individuals to countries where they lack ties can be both dangerous and inhumane. Human rights organizations have raised alarms about the potential for these migrants to face violence or persecution in their new environments. The legal framework surrounding these deportations has also come under scrutiny, as a federal lawsuit in Boston challenges the legality of such removals, which the Supreme Court has allowed, without providing migrants an opportunity to demonstrate potential harm. Rwanda's involvement in this agreement is not without precedent. The country previously signed a deal with the United Kingdom in 2022 to accept asylum seekers, a plan that was ultimately scrapped due to legal challenges and concerns over Rwanda's safety as a destination for migrants. This history of controversial agreements raises questions about the ethical implications of such arrangements. Moreover, the broader context of U.S. deportations reveals a pattern of seeking agreements with various countries, including South Sudan and Eswatini, to facilitate the removal of individuals deemed undesirable by the Trump administration. These actions have prompted widespread criticism, especially as reports emerge of deportees being held in poor conditions without access to legal representation. As Rwanda prepares to welcome deportees, the international community watches closely, weighing the implications of this agreement on human rights and the treatment of migrants. The Rwandan government has positioned itself as a leader in addressing migration issues, yet the complexities surrounding this agreement highlight the ongoing tensions between national policies and international human rights standards. In conclusion, the agreement between the United States and Rwanda to accept deportees marks a notable chapter in the evolving narrative of global migration policies. It raises essential questions about the responsibilities of nations in addressing the challenges of migration, the ethical considerations of deportation practices, and the need for a balanced approach that respects human rights while addressing national security concerns. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how this agreement will shape the future of migration and the lives of those affected by it. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.